Let's go.
Do you have a website?
Yes, right there. It's bichinchagifts.com. Do you have a business card too by any chance?
I do not.
Alright, what is the next? Vape or tech?
You were like, who's Matt White?
Oh. Hi there, how are you?
Do y'all have a website?
Give me your information. I'll send you a login. That way you can see all of our pricing and you can shop with us. I think it's a $250 off for the first order and free shipping.
That's pretty good. But we'll have to do it later.
Okay.
So I'll show.
Yeah, but we won't send you the email until like Monday, so you can always sign up later.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's ridiculous.
Nobody's lot to choose from.
Yeah, no, it's cool. I mean, we got everything there for you. And we got good prices.
How about this? It's like the Pyrex box.
Alright.
We are offering show exclusive deals. We decided to start an account with us, finalize an order. We're going to show you. So feel free to come back and see me. Also, I know that.
Nice.